Struggling to add Google Ads to your Hostinger site? Here is the exact 6-step process to get it done in under 5 minutes. I know it can feel frustrating when you have a beautiful website ready to go but no clear path to actually get people there. So let me walk you through this, one step at a time. We will go from your Hostinger dashboard to connecting your domain and launching a full Performance Max campaign. No fluff, no confusion, just a clear path forward. All right, let us start at your Hostinger Builder dashboard. Head over to your website builder inside Hostinger. This is where you design and manage everything for your site. Once you are in, you will see the main editing interface. This is home base for everything we are about to do. Now look for the Apps section on the left-hand sidebar. It is usually easy to spot. Think of this like your app store for your website. It is where you add extra functionality, and today we are adding the ability to run ads. Find and click the Google Ads app. It should be listed right there in the Apps panel. Go ahead and click on it. You will see a screen explaining what the app does. It is basically a direct bridge between your Hostinger site and your Google Ads account. Tap the Get Started button inside the app. This kicks off the setup process. You will see a prompt telling you what needs to happen next. It is all very straightforward from here. And here is the real important part. You will need to connect your domain first. Google wants to make sure your website is actually yours before it lets you run ads. So you will see a message that says, to start using Google Ads, you first need to connect your domain. Click on that. Follow any verification steps Hostinger gives you. This might take a moment to process, so just let it do its thing. It is a security step that protects both you and your future ad account. Now configure your campaign settings. You will see an option for a Performance Max campaign. This is Google's smartest campaign type. It shows your ads across Search, YouTube, Gmail, and even the Google Display Network, all from one single setup. Click on that option. You will be asked to set a budget, choose your target audience, and upload your ad creatives like images and headlines. Take your time here. A little planning now saves a lot of headaches later. Double-check everything before launching. Review your domain connection, your budget, and your ad content. Make sure all the details look correct. Once you are satisfied, hit that launch button. Your Google Ads account is now connected and ready to drive traffic to your Hostinger site. And that is it. You went from a website with no ad traffic to having Google Ads connected and ready to run campaigns. High five. You are all set to start bringing visitors in.